Hello students, let us continue the lesson. Now today we will discuss how is a PowerPoint helpful or how is a presentation helpful, how presentation is helpful in our day-to-day work. And before continuing this point, if you are not yet subscribe my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload new videos. So in this, how is a presentation helpful? So in this point, so they are given some of the points. A present PowerPoint presentation is widely used to present views and ideas effectively. If you want to present any new ideas or if you want to present any of your own views, in that case, by using this application, you can present it effectively. Okay, you can present it in a impressive manner. Okay, by using the objects like text, images, videos, audios, and with the animation effect. So that presentation we can make it more attractive and effectively we can present our views and ideas. Then people in the business world use it to present information about their products or company in seminars and meetings. In a business world, in a companies, so what they do, if they have any meetings or if they want to give any training for their staff, so in that case they use this application to present that information regarding their product or related to the agendas of their meeting. That points will be displayed on a screen, okay, by using this presentation. So whenever they want to give any information or whenever they want to give any uh, these ideas about their product, in that case, so that ideas or that information will be given by using this application in a business world. Teachers can use presentation to prepare their lesson plans. So to prepare the lesson plans, teacher can use this presentation application, so this PowerPoint presentation, and effect they can make their teaching effective. Okay, so teaching can be made effective by using this PowerPoint, and while teaching they can show the videos, they can show the uh, animation effects, images, and text. They can put that all the type of information and they can display to their students. Using PowerPoint presentation, you can create a visual impact on the audience. So by using this application, by using this PowerPoint, using PowerPoint presentation, you can create a visual impact on the audience, in the sense, so whenever we are presenting any information to the audience, to the public, so that information should be impressive, so then only audience or public remains in that seminar. Otherwise, so nobody listens to the seminars or nobody listens to that information. So if you want to make that presentation or if you want to make that seminar more effective, in that case you can use this presentation application, PowerPoint application, and you can make it you can create a good rapport over the audience by using the different types of objects or different types of tools from the PowerPoint presentation. So in this way you can use this PowerPoint application in your work, or whenever you want to give any information about the product, or if you want to give any seminars, or if you want to give some other information, your views, ideas, and all, in that case this presentation is very helpful. So now next point is starting MS PowerPoint. So this is all over. Now how to start MS PowerPoint or in our computer, how to open a PowerPoint application. So to open or to start a PowerPoint, here the given step. To start Microsoft PowerPoint, follow the given steps. First step is click on start. So here I am going to click on start. I clicked on start. Second one is choose all programs. Then click on all programs. Second step, I clicked on all programs. Then third step is click on Microsoft Office. So in this list, you have to find where is Microsoft Office. So here Microsoft Office is available. It is present here. So just click on that Microsoft Office. Then fourth step, select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. So then in this Microsoft Office, you select Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Okay, so this is the application you have to click to open. See here, Microsoft PowerPoint is getting open, and this is a window or this is an application we are going to learn. So this is a one way. So another method is, if you want to create this one, what is it? Oh, sorry, if you want to open this Microsoft PowerPoint, in that case you can click on start and you can click on PowerPoint. If it is available in your start menu, directly you can click here also, it gets open. This is one more method. Then one more method is, hold Windows button on your keyboard and press R. You will get a run window. Then here in this run window, just you have to type power pnt. Power pnt is a keyword to open Microsoft PowerPoint in our system, okay, in our computer or in our laptop. So just click on OK button. Okay, here, so Microsoft PowerPoint application gets open. So these are the methods you can open the PowerPoint window or PowerPoint application in your system. Okay, so let me come back here. So here they given one method, but I have shown you other methods also to open Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope you have understood these points. How is a presentation helpful and how to start Microsoft PowerPoint in your system. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any new videos. Thank you for watching.